Hello, wonderful people. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to the making of another delicious recipe. In today's video, we are making pizza. Yay! Who doesn't like pizza? Let's get started. So to make this pizza, we are starting by making the dough first. And for that, I'll be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar. You can use less or more. 1 raw egg. I will also be using some margarine. I have here 2 tablespoons of margarine. You can use butter. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. You can also use liquid milk. 1 teaspoon of active yeast and a pinch of salt. I'll now go ahead and activate the yeast, and for this I'll be using half cup of warm water. Add the yeast into it and add a teaspoon of sugar also. Mix and cover it and allow it for about 5 minutes or until it rises, and that way you know that the yeast is active. If you are using liquid milk instead of the powdered milk for this recipe, then warm the milk and use it to activate the yeast so that you will not use too much liquid in this dough. It is now time to make the pizza dough. So in a separate bowl, we'll add the flour, the milk, the sugar, and the salt. And mix everything together. By now the yeast is activated, so we make a hole in the middle and then pour in the yeast. I will mix it a bit and then add the egg. After mixing the yeast and the egg together, I'll now go in with the margarine. At this point, I'll now use my hand to mix it together for kneading. Here I added 2 tablespoons of water to enable me bring everything together. After that, I sprinkle some flour on my work surface and then bring out the dough and start kneading. After kneading for about 5 minutes, this is what we have. And I'm okay with this. So the next thing I'll do is to put it in a bowl. I oiled this bowl and then cover it there and allow it to rest for about 1 hour until it doubles in size, it rises. Remember to keep it in a warm place. And here are the ingredients we'll be using for the toppings. I have here the pizza sauce, homemade pizza sauce. The video will be coming up soon. Some grated mozzarella cheese. And I also have some chicken here, which I slice into pieces. Some sausage, mushroom, and the bell peppers. You can use any topping of your choice. This is after 1 hour. The dough has doubled in size. It is now time to make the pizza. I just punch it to release the air, and then I'm going to divide this into two because I'm using 2 pans. I'm using 1 big pan and 1 smaller pan, so I'll divide it into 2. Okay, I divided it into 3, but it's going to be shared into 2. I'll start with this one first. I'll spread it there and then transfer it into the pan we are using. I use my hand or fingers and spread it very well in the pan, after which we'll now add in the toppings. Keep watching. I hope you are enjoying it. And now it is time for the toppings. And I start by spreading the pizza sauce on top. You can use ketchup if you don't have the pizza sauce, or any tomato sauce you have. After that, I add the grated cheese, the mozzarella cheese. And then the sausage. This is roasted sausage. I add the chicken. The mushrooms. And lastly, the bell peppers. And now it is time to bake. We'll take it to the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius. And here we have our delicious and mouth-watering homemade pizza. Yay! Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, and also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Love you all. Bye bye.